London City Airport and local bus services. This is Canning.
Woolwich Arsenal with its train terminates station 3 and 4 International Rail, Liverpool Line, local bus services. Any of the train, please remember to take all your personal belongings with you. Any unattended items, please report to them in the route. The next station is Woolwich Arsenal with its train terminates West Coast Bay, contact park holders. Please remember to tap out where you leave the station. To ensure you pay the correct fare and allow the guard. Train terminates here, all trains train terminates.
The next stop is King George V.
Very awkward, and the feature lights need stripes to say when they are ready to open. As always, you might put it there to make it clear, and you go red when starting, and there are 5 cars instead of the previous 6 cars with a nice spacious interior. Yeah.
City Airport and local bus services.
that was the first new Dockland Site Railway B23 train in service. Today on the 30th of September 2025. The B23 stock is manufactured by CAF. There's going to be the first train in service, B23 stock set 209. We've got to B23 stock or say B90s, B92s and B2Ks. At the moment there's only going to be one train out a day of the D223 stock.